Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in UniFi Talk. Before you set up your UniFi system, please reach out to Voxtelesys support as they'll need to make some changes to your account to match the formatting of the UniFi PBX. The support phone number is 701-929-9797, and the support email is support@voxtelesys.com. You'll first want to log into the UniFi portal. Click on the UniFi Talk icon. From the UniFi Talk dashboard, click on the Settings icon. Under the UniFi Talk settings, click on System. Scroll down to Third-Party SIP Setup and click on the Add Third-Party SIP Provider button. Fill in Voxtelesys in the provider name field. Next, add custom fields by clicking on Add Field. Type the following fields: proxy, realm, password, register, username, SIP_CID_type, retry_seconds, and expire-seconds. Click on Done when you're finished. You'll now add values to the fields you created. The proxy and realm fields will be filled in with the domain that's provided by Voxtelesys. Type in the password provided by Voxtelesys. Next, set register to true. The username will be the authorization or username provided by Voxtelesys. Enter RPD in the SIP_CID_type field. Set the retry_seconds field to 30. Set the expire-seconds field to 120. Click on Select Countries to specify which countries you want routed through this SIP provider. By default, your Voxtelesys account is open to the United States and Canada, but you can add more calling countries by contacting Voxtelesys support. If you wish to keep the defaults, just select the United States and Canada from the dropdown and click on Save. Next, you can add DID numbers via manually importing a number or via a text file. If you do not have a phone number, we recommend purchasing a DID through the Voxtelesys portal. We have a guide on that topic, which will be in the link below. The format of the phone number or numbers should look like this. To add numbers via a text file, make sure each number is on a separate line. The IP address range field is optional. If you choose to fill in this field, click on Add IP Address Range. Type in the CIDR network address and the subnet mask. When you're done, click on Add. Click on Apply Changes when you're finished with all of your configurations. If you wish to modify your configuration, hover over it and click on Modify. You'll see all the settings you previously configured and can make the necessary changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Voxtelesys SIP trunk in UniFi Talk. Check out our other videos on UniFi Talk, as well as other helpful guides.